Hello guys, so in this video you will learn about enumerate function. We've talked about this function in a previous video, in the 10 Python tricks video, but we will go even further in this video. So let's first take this from an exercise perspective, because that's the best way to learn. So as you can see, solve a personal problem or a problem you care about. Let's say I want you to capitalize every third letter in this sentence. How can you go about this? A way I would go about this is I would go with index. So I would create an index variable and make it 0, and then I would loop, or this is the wrong way, okay? Show you the enumerate method after this, but basically you would go for I, so for every letter in sentence, and then if index equals 3, no 3 but module, okay, if index module 3 equals 0, that means if the index is divided by 3, then letter dot upper. No, give me a sec. So we would say sentence, okay. Let's create another sentence. So we will create an empty string. We'll call it sentence capitalized, or new string. This cost new string. We'll make an empty string, and then if third letter, then letter would be, so we'll get no new string, add using plus equals the letter but upper, which means capitalized. Else new string, you would just add the letter as it is. Then let's print our new string, and this should give us, okay, this doesn't work very well. It capitalized everything. That's not how I want it. So if index, yeah, we're not increasing the index, sorry. So index plus equals 1, and this should do it. So as you can see, we got every third letter. So we got the S, then the V, then the A, because this is a space, it counts a space. Then we got those two, and then the third is capital, those two, third is capital. So this it does it, okay, it works. But let's see the better way of solving this. Okay, I'll leave this as it is, but I'll just comment it and comment this. Okay, so here the new way, you basically say for letter and index in, and instead of saying in a sentence, you would say in enumerate, and pass that whatever you want, a list, or in this way, in this example, a string. And then now we will copy this same logic, but we don't need to increase it, because this index gives us the index we are in without, sorry, I think it's like this. So yep. So now we can just pass this like that. One thing we just need is new string equals an empty string. Then we can just print new string. I will explain this just in a second. So yeah, we got this same output. Basically how this works is the enumerate function returns two values, the letter in the sentence and its index, which is great. So we don't need to create our index and increase it by ourselves. We can just get it for free, and it's increased by itself as long as we are iterating. And yeah, we just create the new string and build that using this plus equal, and we solved it basically. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed it and learned something. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, so we keep making those videos. And make sure to share this video with a friends of yours if you think they will benefit from it. And yeah, thank you for watching and peace out.